Hello, how you all doing? Been away for a while. The old Facebook police wiped me out, took me off everything. But it done me good because I was nearly getting to my head everything. So a little break done me the world of good and give me a chance to concentrate and get myself up my feet again and um, do a bit of joinery work. So I've been mucking about doing a bit of entertainment work for myself. So yeah, made the made this dartboard cabinet for myself and redone the whole room to actually sort of suit me. So yeah, got somewhere to hang my guitar up and hang some of the other stuff that I make up, like my Arsenal clock and everything. Done a bit of artwork on the wall and made a new radiator cabinet. Then obviously I've been working on these panel doors here, which have been quite a nice job for me to do. Putting these in, these were an old set of doors that I hung, and really it killed the room. So yeah, I took them off and turned them into sliding doors, and then I've been working on getting all my music out again and getting all that up and running, getting all my CDs out, and I haven't had them out really since I left Walthamstow 25 years ago. So yeah, been making all this, getting all this working, getting all my old vinyls out. All my CDs and my turntable. I bought that when I was 16. So yeah, that's what I've been doing in between, trying to stay sane. It's come out rather well, I hope. Gives me somewhere to relax, chill, entertain myself. All things take them out. Decorated with all things what mean something to me. So yeah, this is the Crafty Cockney N4 over and out. I look forward to the next project, and I'll video that and catalogue it as I do it, and yeah, see how I go. You take care. Over and out.